Hello everyone, this is Lottie Ann speaking. Welcome. I'm introducing Sqribble to you. Sqribble is an ebook creator that is made easy for you. It produces excellent professional looking ebooks, and you don't have to struggle like in the past. You used to have to do it manually, but now today's technology is very fast. You can instantly make an ebook in 60 seconds. Now they have included the AI features in Sqribble, and that is going to be coming soon. So I recommend everyone to take action. Okay, today is only $19.99. It's a very special price to get Sqribble. Sqribble is a great ebook software that it is in demand. It's very hot. It's got unique styles and layouts, unlimited pages. You can sell these ebooks to clients, and they will be looking professional looking ebooks. No more spending huge amounts of money to hire anybody from FIVVER or someone that's so techy. You know, everything is in this software. You don't even have to worry about it. Auto contact writer is right inside the software. You get an agency website. Anybody that want to have their own, you can have your own clients signed under you, that they can have access to everything, which is really great. So hurry up. Today is $19.99. I don't know how long this price is going to last, but get it in and get your Sqribble today.
Hey, it's Adeel Chowdrey here. How are you doing? You good? Fantastic. Right, in the next 2 minutes, I am going to give you a quick overview on all the different types of software products that we have in our range so that you can go ahead and grab every single one of them. Okay, so to start off with, we have Sqribble. Now, Sqribble is the world's #1 ebook creator that creates you fantastic, professional, good-looking ebooks in a matter of minutes. You simply go in, select a theme, add in your content, and you're done. We have Sqribble Professional. Now, Sqribble Professional is an upgraded version of Sqribble that gives you a lot more themes, a lot more power, and a lot more features. Definitely recommended. We have Sqribble Prime, which gives you 15 incredible niche templates that you can plug straight into Sqribble. You get 15 of those every single month for a one-time price for the whole year. We have Sqribble Fantasia 3D. Now, Sqribble Fantasia 3D has 2 apps in it, so it's 2 in 1. The first part allows you to turn your PDFs into interactive flipbooks. That's right, you can turn your PDFs into interactive flipbooks, which you can then share online with anybody that you want. It just makes the whole experience of consuming content a lot more enjoyable, a lot more fun, a lot more interactive. The second part of that will allow you to create ebook covers to represent your PDF. Because now that you've got a PDF, the next part of this is you're going to want to have an ebook cover that shows it off. Okay, so that's the next part of that, and that's Sqribble Fantasia 3D. We have Auto Job Finder. Now, Auto Job Finder is our gig and client getting technology. What it does is allows you to find gigs online. So you can actually use it to find gigs and clients online and then sell your services to them. You can find people online who are looking to get an ebook done and then use Sqribble to fulfill that, right? So that can make you thousands of dollars every single month. And that's Auto Job Finder. We have Sqribble. Sqribble is our ebook marketplace that allows you to sell all of your ebooks, whether you've created them through Sqribble or just PDFs that you have lying around. You can upload them to the Sqribble marketplace and sell them in a matter of minutes. There's no red tape when it comes to getting your ebooks online and selling it online, just like on Kindle, where there's lots of regulations, where there's lots of red tapes and lots of competition. With Sqribble, upload your ebook, set your price, and you're ready to go in literally 5 minutes. Plus, you get a lot more features and reporting available. And that's something that will sell your ebooks around the clock, 7 days a week, all year round. We have Sqribble. Now, Sqribble is a 2-in-1 piece of software. It allows you to create ebook funnels to capture names and email addresses to which you can then mail using the other part of the software. It's got an inbuilt autoresponder. So it's an ebook funnel builder and an autoresponder 2-in-1. We have the Sqribble Personal Store Edition. Now, this is a bolt-on to Sqribble, and what this one does, it allows you to pick from one of 5 website themes that we have and create an ebook store on your very own domain name. Now, imagine having an ebook store on your very own website. There's no competition that way, and you can sell as many ebooks as you want. Plus, we take no transaction fees. So that's a great investment. It really will give you a massive ROI. We also have additional add-on template packs, which you can purchase at any time that you want throughout the year. And we come out with various templates, such as coloring pack templates, 3D games, puzzles, as well as journals and planners that you can bolt on and add and beef up your Sqribble template library with. So that's it. That's the whole overview on the entire range of products that we have at this time. I highly recommend that you check every single one of these out and grab them while they are still available. Adeel Chowdrey, signing out.